Alright everybody, Bucky Ass Saws, we're back with another episode. Today we're bucking around with the Benelli buzzer frame. Got it pretty much all stripped down. Got the forks all apart so I can get this booger job I did as a young kid, get that all cleaned up. Got to clean up these welds down here. That was starting to crack from basically treating it like a dirt bike as a kid. So get that all cleaned up. Get my friend to TIG weld it. Be looking like new. Got another cylinder on the way, but just give you guys a shot. The stock one. This is the standard bore. So we still got 2 more oversizes we can go, but definitely scored up this piston pretty good. But like I said, we were definitely hard on this thing as kids, riding it around the yard and out in the field. So surprised that thing held up as long as it did. But I tried to do a light hone on it, but still some scratches in there that just aren't going to hone out. So I'll get this board to the next size over. I'll get a piston ordered up. Get a little shot of the cylinder head. Had it soaking, but I'm gonna start cleaning this up, get it nice and polished up. So the head that I got coming off eBay is off of the Benelli G2. So it has more fins on the side. So I think that's the one I'm going to end up playing around with some port work on it. See what I can get this Benelli to do. But and also the other cylinder head from the G2 has more fins on the side, so I think it would be the better option to do a performance build on it. But I'm still kind of looking around to see what kind of other options there are cylinder wise. Like I said, there's a pretty cool build where the guy, I think he's using Polini stuff, but like I said, it's all in German, so I'm just going through the transcripts trying to kind of figure out what he put in his. But here's a shot of the old top bracket. So this thing, I band-aided it a couple times over the years because I don't know how many times I ended up cracking this bracket. But I saw on eBay they have like a support bracket that I think I'm gonna order up. You know, even though I don't really plan on riding this thing like a dirt bike anymore. I basically just want to cruise around with it here and there. Maybe take it to some shows or something. But I'll figure that all out once I get it back together and running. I got all the other parts sitting in the citric acid right now, but here's a little shot of the engine. I'm going to do a little more polishing, but she's looking pretty mint. So probably I'll get the timing wheel put on that once that other cylinder shows up from eBay, and see where the port timing numbers lay out, and what kind of stock squish we have, and then I'll figure out what I decide to do to it. But the plan for now is probably just leave this original cylinder, stock port timing, just to get a decent baseline, and I don't know, just to have a spare stock cylinder around, since they're kind of hard to come by anymore. So I'll leave this one stock. Then once I get my eyes on that other cylinder, I'll figure out if it's sitting on the standard bore, or if it has been bored over yet, and see if I need to get that cylinder bored out, or if I can just run the standard bore piston in it once it gets here, and then I'll decide what kind of port job I'm going to do on it. But probably won't do nothing over the top, just a mild build. I like to keep it reliable, but I'm going to also look around, see if I can get some type of expansion chamber to fit on there. I think it would look pretty cool with a nice little expansion chamber hanging off the side of it, but we'll keep looking around for that. But just thought I'd share that with you guys for now. Keep you posted as this thing comes along, and try to get some more footage of it as it comes together. But that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.